Okay, so Apple has just released a bunch of new devices. We got a new Apple Watch, we also got a new iPhone 14 Pro, new AirPods, among others. And here at Half Man Half Tech, since I'm really big when it comes to the Apple Watch, I figured, why not buy the new Apple Watch Ultra? I mean, I went to Zimbabwe and I got some Zimbabwe dollars, so why not spend some of these and get the new Apple Watch? I'm going to put a pop-up right here so that you can see the same thing as I'm seeing here. So the app that I use to order most of my orders here when it comes to Apple is this Apple Store. Now this one is a really good app because it allows you to keep all your orders and you can track them right from that application. So it's really good and really handy. And you notice from the moment you open it up, you can see the brand new iPhone 14 Pro. This is a device that I'm interested in. So perhaps down the road when pre-orders open up, this is something that I might share with you as well. So if we go to where it says shop right there and then go down, you see the Apple Watch Series 8. Maybe down the road could be a device too that we might get here on the channel. And if you go to where it says shop by product, you can see the Apple Watch, and right in the center right there of those three watches, you can see the device we are interested in. That is the exact watch that we want to get. So if we click there where it says Apple Watch, you can see Apple Watch Ultra. Adventure awaits. It's meant for adventure and it's available starting the 23rd of this month. And you can see, if you go down, you will see the Apple Watch Ultra, and you see that for me here it begins at $1,100. And the reason why this is so is because when Apple shows off their event, those prices are in US dollars, and since the Canadian dollar is slightly weaker than the US dollar, that's why you see that my prices are slightly higher than what Apple shows. So it's because these are in Canadian dollars. So if we go to where it says order right now, you'll be able to see where it says 1 rugged case, 3 specialized straps, choose your adventure. Now, unfortunately, this watch that we are interested in is available in 1 case, 1 color, and it's not available in aluminum too. It's available in titanium, which bumps up the price a little bit higher. So you can see right there, this is the one that I'm interested in. And the reason is because this was the main one that Apple kept showing off, and it just looks new and fresh, and it's a new color too that I'll be having as an orange color. So if we click right there, you notice it opens up, titanium case with orange Alpine Loop. And if you want to see the case details, you can click there and see the details. And if you want to change the band color, you can see that you can change it right here. I actually think the white looks cool as well. Look at the white, how the white looks, and also look at the orange. So wow, the white looks good too. Wow. I mean, for now, I'll just stick with the orange for now, but the white, it's also a plus for me. It could be something that I might get off of Amazon once third-party straps become available. But you can see the size as well. So 49 millimeters, my Apple Watch Series 7 that you see here, this is actually 45. So it's going to take me from 45 to 49. That's a big jump actually, because 45 is like the perfect size, and I feel like anything above 45 might be too big. But with time, we'll be able to tell and see how, if it does grow on me, right? So you can see the connectivity right here. You don't have the option to select GPS only model. So you do have to choose GPS plus cellular, which is unfortunate. Again, it just bumps up the price higher. But if you're going to be adventurous, be outdoors, then you definitely will need the cellular portion of this watch. And the strap or band size, I usually select medium. It's good to be in between. Now, I usually put Apple Care Plus or coverage on my devices. My Apple Watch Series 7 has Apple Care Plus. My Mac has Apple Care Plus. But for this one, since I don't know how this size is going to look on me, I'm just going to say no coverage for now. And compatibility, this is something that you need to know if you're going to be buying any of the new Apple Watches, because they require an iPhone 8 or later. that has iOS 16 or later. So your iPhone has to be a newer iPhone that supports iOS 16. And obviously you can see that we now have the option to add this to the bag. So we'll go ahead and add it. Now we have the option to choose more accessories. We just continue since we're just gonna stick with the basics. And you can see the delivery, or when it delivers for me, it's going to be available on October 7 to October 14. I'm a little bit late with these pre-orders. Hopefully Apple can just push this up a little bit. But when I select where it says pick up install, for some reason it says it's not available. And also when it comes to the Mac, it says that our suppliers aren't able to do this option because of COVID or some reason like that. So I'm just stuck with the October 7 to October 14 delivery. So now if I click where it says buy with Apple Pay, right there, you notice that I have the option to verify my postal code and some other delivery information. So you can see the total right there, that it comes to 1,230. Now this is for an Apple Watch. I mean, for the same price, you could possibly get like a new iPhone for this price, or just add a little bit and get the brand new M2 MacBook Air. These are the types of things that we have to go through just to make content, right? It's hard decisions like this. But since we are here on the final page and we are ready to continue pay, we'll continue with Apple Pay. And then you can see that here I have the option to double click to pay. So let's do that right here. Processing. Boom, done. Thank you. We are sending your order confirmation to this email. Your order number is, and your Siri shortcut has been created to review or edit below. So it's been added to Siri. So our order has been done, and here's what's happening for you. So you can see your order has been received, and I am officially $1,200 and something poorer. Hopefully this device comes sooner, and as soon as it arrives, I'll be making videos like a madman. And other than that, that's my experience. If you like this video, definitely leave a like and do subscribe, and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.